Welcome back to another Windows 10 tutorial video. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to remove or change the new weather widget that has been added to your taskbar with the latest Windows 10 update. This widget not only displays the weather but also includes news and other interests. Stick around, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. So, with the latest update to Windows 10, Microsoft introduced a News and Interest widget to the taskbar. This widget provides information on stocks, local weather, and top stories. But if you find it distracting and want to either remove it entirely or make it less disruptive, I'll show you how. The first step to remove the weather or news widget from your taskbar is simple. Just navigate to the bottom right-click the widget in the taskbar, then move up to News and Interests. From here, you have two options. You can either turn it off completely. If you select that, it removes the widget from your taskbar. However, if you'd like to keep it but make it smaller, you can choose Show Icon Only. This option displays only the icon for the weather, without the temperature. Even with this setting, you can still click on it to view the information, maintaining functionality while reducing visual clutter. And there you have it. That's how you can easily remove the weather and news widget from your taskbar in Windows 10. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. If you're interested in more Windows 10 tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing for more tech tutorials. Thanks so much for watching.